Good morning students. Today we will study class 7 the revision of chapter number 4. We will revise, take a quick revision of chapter number 4, and after that in this chapter we will discuss about the test paper 4. In the last of this chapter there is test paper given to you and I am explaining and solving the questions which are given in your test paper. Okay, after that the first question in the test paper of 4 is given. Express each of the following rational number in standard form. You have to express each of the following rational number in standard form, and the question number first is minus 209 upon 247. You have to express this in standard form. आपको इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में सॉल्व करना है. जब when you are solving this in standard form, how you will solve? First of all, take the HCF of 209 and 247. आपको HCF लेना है 209 का एंड 247 का. तो जब हम इनका HCF लेंगे तो HCF आएगा आपका 19. Your HCF will be 19. After that, minus 209 divided by 19 upon 247 divided by 19. When you will divide 209 divided by 19 and 247 divided by 19, why? Because the HCF is 19. क्योंकि इसका HCF आया है 19. Divide this 209 divided by 19. 19 ones are 19 minus 1, 19 ones are 19. मीन्स जब हमने 209 को 19 से डिवाइड किया तो आपका आंसर आया है 11. आफ्टर दैट नाउ डिवाइड 247 बाय 19. 247 डिवाइडेड बाय 19. 19 ones are 19. 14 minus 9 5 and 7. 19 threes are 57. Means 11 upon 13. Minus 11 upon 13 is the standard form of 209 upon 247. ये minus 11 upon 13 इसकी standard form है. After that, your homework of this test paper 4 is in question number 1, part 2nd and 3rd. Homework question number 1, part 2nd and 3rd you have to do. In which? In test paper 4. Test paper 4 में. After that, the second question in this exercise is given. In this test paper 4 is given. List 5 rational number between -2 and -1. -2 और -1 के बीच में हमें 5 रैशनल नंबर्स लेने हैं. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज -2 एंड -1. यू हैव टू टेक द रैशनल नंबर बिटवीन 5 रैशनल नंबर बिटवीन -2 एंड -1. नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू? -2 एंड -1. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, -2 multiply by 6 and -1 multiply by 6 and take it in this fraction position. 6 2s are 12 upon 6 1s are 6. -12 upon -12 upon it is -12 upon -6. Minus and minus cancel means 12 upon 6. After that, same you have to do in -1. -1 multiply by 6 upon, sorry, it will come here 1 only, means -12. -1 upon 6 upon 1 multiply by 6. -6 upon 6. This is your -6 upon 6. So the integer between -12 and -6. अब हमें क्या करना है? इंटीजर जो है -12 और -6 के बीच के लेने हैं. वो आएंगे -11 -10 -8 8 it is -9, -8, -7. These all are integer 1 2 3 4 5. अब इनके बीच में जो फ्रैक्शंस रहेंगे, जो 5 रेशनल नंबर रहेंगे, वो हैं हमारे -11/6, -10/6, -9/6, -8/6 and -7/6. This is your answer. After that, question number second, we have completed. Now question number third. Question number third is the sum of two rational number is -4. If one of them is -11/6, find the other. Question number third is the sum of two rational number is -4 and if one of them is -11/6, find the other. So let the number be x. हमने एक नंबर x ले लिया है. Now x plus -11/6 equals to -4. Why -4? Because the sum of two rational number is -4. Now x equals to -4 -11/6. Okay. अब क्या करना है? You have to take the LCM. X equals to -4/1. After that plus 11/6. Take LCM. 6 will be your LCM. After that 6 4s are 24 plus 11. Plus minus 24 minus 11 will be -13/6 is your answer. Now you have to do question number 5, question number 6, 7, 8. All questions are same. Question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. I am explaining you question number 9. Question number 9 is your MCQ question, means multiple choice question. You have to tick the answer, but without solving you can't tick. -55/-66 in standard form. Question number 9, -55/-66 in standard form. आपको इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. फर्स्ट -55 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1/66 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 -1. So -55/66. Remove minus from here. It will be your -55/66. Sorry, the question is given here 55/-66. So you can do here multiply by -1. So -55/ minus and minus plus, it will be 55/66. Now take the HCF. अब हमें HCF लेना है 55 and 66 का. HCF 55 और 66 का आएगा 11. Your HCF will be 11. -55 divided by 11 or 66 divided by 11. It will be your -5/6. Means in this option B is correct. Option B is correct. -55/66. Now question number 9 I have explained you. Now question number 10 is same. I am explaining you question number 10. Question number 10. What should be subtracted from -2/3 to get 3/4? What should be subtracted from question number 10? Question number 10 is what should be subtracted from -2/3 to get 3/4? -2/3 to get 3/4. क्या चीज ऐसी सब्ट्रैक्ट करनी है? लेट आंसर इसका लेट द नंबर टू बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड बी एक्स. हमने जो नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है वो हमने एक्स ले लिया. नाउ -2/3 minus x equals to 3 upon 4. After that x equals to minus 2 upon 3 minus 3 upon 4. Then LCM of 3 and 4. अब हमें LCM लेना है. 3 4 जा 12 LCM आएगा इसका. After that 3 4 जा 12, 4 2 जा 8, minus 8 minus 4 3 जा 12, 3 3 जा 9. Minus and minus plus 8 plus 9 equals to minus 17 upon 12 is your answer. Means in this question option A is correct. Option A आपका correct है. Now the question 11 is your homework. Question number 11. It is same question, nothing different. Now I am explaining you question number 12. Question number 12 is the multiplicative inverse of, जो multiplicative inverse है, the multiplicative inverse of minus 3 upon 4 is minus 3 upon 4 का multiplicative inverse लेना है. Minus 3 upon 4. The multiplicative inverse of minus 3 upon 4 is, इसका multiplicative inverse होगा minus 4 upon 3. आंसर. खाली आपको इसमें मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स में रेसिप्रोकल कर देना है. डेनोमिनेटर ऊपर चला जाएगा, न्यूमरेटर नीचे आ जाएगा, माइनस साइन ऊपर ही रहेगा इसमें. आफ्टर दैट in this question number 13 and 14, now I am explaining you question number 14. Question number 13 you have to do. Question number 14. Question number 14 is 78 raised to 3 upon 4 divided by 2 raised to 1 upon 2. 2 raised to 1 upon 2 equals to question mark given. After that, first of all multiply these two, then add 3 here. Then when you will multiply, it will be 315 upon 4 divided 2 to the 4 and 1 5 upon 2. Now 315 upon 4 multiply 2 upon 5. रिमूव करेंगे साइन, डिवाइड का मल्टीप्लाई साइन लगाएंगे, रेसिप्रोकल होगा. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 5 1 जा 5, 5 63 जा 315. Now 63 upon 2. When you will divide this 63 upon 2, your answer would be 31 raised to 1 upon 2. In this question 31, option A is correct. You have to do question number 15 and 16. Question number 15 and 16. Now let's come to question number 17. Question number 17 is true and false. You have to state whether the following statement is true or false. In this, the first question is minus 15 upon minus 11 lies to the left of 0 on the number line. क्या minus 15 upon 11 left of 0 में लाइन करता है, लाई करेगा या नहीं? It is minus 15 upon minus 11. Minus and minus cancel, means 15 upon 11. The statement is false. The statement is false because which lies to the right of 0. Minus 15 upon 11 lies to the right of 0. Suppose this is your number line and here is 0. Left side minus and right side is your plus, and your answer is in plus. So it is, the statement is false. It does not lies to the left side of the 0. Okay. First is your false. Now second is 1 upon 3 and minus 3 upon 2 lie on opposite side of 0. Yes, it is 1 upon 3 and minus 3 upon 2. ये दोनों अपोजिट साइड में रहेंगे. यहाँ पे 0 आ गया, minus 3 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, minus 3 upon 2 and 1 upon 3 will be here. So it is the opposite of the 0. दोनों 0 के opposite है, means the statement is true. In second question the statement is true. And in now the third one is given. Minus 8 upon 13 lies to the left of 0 on number line. Yes, it is true. क्यों? Because here it will be plus and here it will be minus, and the question is given here minus 8 upon 13. Minus 8 upon 13. Yes, in third question the statement is true. Okay. After that, Fourth one is given minus 4 upon 5 is greater than minus 2 upon 3. No, it is not greater than minus 2 upon 3. हमें minus 4 upon 5 is greater than minus 2 upon 3. No, it is smaller than 2 upon 3. So the statement is false in fourth. Now the last one is minus 3 upon 5 is largest among minus 3 upon 5, minus 7 upon 10 and minus 5 upon 6. I am explaining you. Firstly take the LCM. हमें इसमें क्या करना है, LCM लेना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 में फिफ्थ पार्ट है ये. LCM लेंगे पहले हम 5, 10 एंड 6 का. 5, 10 और 6 LCM लेंगे तो आएगा 30. Answer your LCM will be 30. Now minus 3 upon 5, minus 7 upon 10 and minus 5 upon 6. Okay. Minus 3 upon 5 equals to minus 3 multiplied by 6 upon 5 multiplied by 6. Okay. 6 3s are 18. Minus 18 upon 30. Second is given here minus 7 upon 10. It is minus 3 upon 5, 7 upon 10 and minus 5 upon 6. Now 7 upon 10 it is given here. 7 multiplied by 3 upon 10 multiplied by 3. 7 3s are 21, 3 10s are 30. So last one is minus 5 upon 6. Minus 5 multiplied by 6 upon 6 multiplied by 5. Minus 5 multiply, sorry, it will be here 5. 5 5s are 25 and 6 5s are 30. Minus 25 on 30. Now according to question minus 3 upon 5 is largest. Yes, minus 3 upon 5 जो है वो सबसे बड़ा है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे दोनों नंबर जो हमारा न्यूमरेटर है वो सबसे छोटा है. Here it is 18, 21 and 25. So minus 3 upon 5 is largest. So the statement is true. Okay, I have explained you the test paper 4 today. In our next class we will discuss about test paper 6, because the next chapter is 6th chapter. Thank you and have a nice day. Practice this very well because it will help to solve your half yearly examination question paper. Thank you and have a nice day.